These right here are the brand new INMO GO3 AI glasses from our sponsor INMO that I really wish I had with us on our recent trip to China 2 weeks ago when we were in Macau and Shenzhen for the Beyond Expo, and it was quite annoying to go around and use my phone to snap pictures and translate directly. But if I had these, I'd be able to just snap a picture with the built-in AI camera and have the glasses show the translation directly on the glasses in real time, and like you'll see later in this video. So in this video, I'll go through all of its AI features, camera quality, build quality, and the overall experience. So let's start off with what you actually get in the box. First, it's the main box that has the user manual, the glasses themselves, and this really unique charging case that comes with an additional battery that is completely swappable, which we'll get into later. The next box is sold separately, and it's the INMO speaker that magnetically attaches to your shirt for real-time translation. Then the last box is also sold separately, and that is the ring to control your glasses. And you can also get this in your own size to fit your pointer finger, but unfortunately, the one that I got is a little small, but it still works just fine. And you don't actually need to get the optional accessories if you don't want to, since you can control the glasses just by touching on the side. And speaking of the glasses, they're actually really high quality, built out of aluminum, and surprisingly light, since this gives you ultimate productivity with a more simple UI. The glasses feature a green micro LED display with diffractive waveguide optics that are decently bright and usable in broad daylight, with 1500 nits of brightness and a resolution of 640 by 480, which is not visible to others around you unless they're staring directly into your glasses, which no one does. You also connect them to your smartphone to get the most out of them, like my favorite feature by far, and that is the photo translation. This is so high-tech and futuristic, since out of the box they come with 78 languages and 98 languages for real-time translation. How this works is, let's say you're in a foreign country and don't want to be there sitting with your phone taking pictures of menus. You can simply snap a picture with the built-in camera, and the glasses will project the translation directly to your glasses that only you can see. This is something that I've been dreaming of being able to do for the longest time, and it's such a cool, useful feature. Кроме того, с помощью этого динамика,
in addition, with the help of this speaker, you can have a full-fledged dialogue with another person. You speak your native language, and the speaker reproduces your words to a friend, which is just cool.
That is incredible. Another cool feature related to the translation is the capability to see the translation in the glasses as someone is talking. For example, if you're in a meeting and want to understand, the Go3 has 4 mics and pick up the conversation with clarity so you don't miss a thing. Like in this example, I'm playing a video in the background since we're not traveling right now to show you a real example. But this is the closest thing I can do to show it off. And the feature set doesn't even stop there. If you ever had to do a presentation or talk in front of a camera like I'm doing right now, you have a built-in teleprompter conveniently on the INMO GO3. And so you load in your script, and with the help of the ring, you can swipe moving left and right to make all of the adjustments while you're talking. And so that way you can keep contact with the person who you're speaking with or when you're presenting. And with that, other AI features that you might find useful is the AI assistant, where it essentially uses your conversations that you choose to record and sends them to your phone, where you can see the transcripts and even summarize long conversations and even to-do lists, so you can be on top of the tasks that you got from the conversation. And with that, you can even ask questions using the deep thinking mode directly on the glasses with just your voice, and it responds using the built-in speakers that you can only hear. And for the last feature, we get navigation for walking and cycling using Hear Maps. You just put in your destination and the glasses show you with the heads-up display of where you need to turn using GPS so that you can focus on the road instead of looking on your phone the entire time. So with all that said, I'm really impressed with these AR glasses, and the most impressive part is that they last a while before you need to swap out the batteries. And when you do, it's as simple as taking the battery out of the case and swapping it with a new one. And then you're good for another 6 to 8 hours hours of use, and the charging case lets you charge them about 4 times on a single charge. And over the past 5 years, INMO has maintained a relatively low public profile, becoming a true hidden champion in the AR industry, and its growth has been not driven by aggressive marketing, but by years of product innovation, technical expertise, and the continuous refinements of the user experience, which earned them the Frost & Sullivan recognition of the #1 global brand in the all-in-one AI AR glasses. So with all that said, these glasses are actually something that you can get a lot of use out of with all of its features that actually work, unlike other AR glasses out there that look funky, bulky, and hard to use, but these are honestly on a different level, and you can check them out by using the links in the video description or the pinned comment below. And if you've enjoyed this video, click above to subscribe and watch the previous video over there. I'm Ben, and we'll see you in the next one.